To understand why having multiple options for ramp angles is so crucial for upgrading the ZF LSD unit found in high-end cars like Alfa Romeo, BMW, Audi, Lamborghini, Ferrari and Porsche, you need to understand the concept of ramp angles in limited slip differentials. This video explains everything you need to know and won't take much of your time. The ramp angle system is the most advanced clutch-type LSD system of all time. If you look at the LSD unit internals from the side, you'll see spider gears wrapped in the pressure plates in the middle. Clutch plates with bevel washers are placed on each side of the pressure plates. The pressure plates contain ledges, also known as ramp angles, where the cross pins come out. You can imagine these ledges as cuts on an ashtray where you rest your cigar. But if you look closely, you'll see that those ledges are not radially shaped like cross pins. They look like small triangles tangentially to the central pins. The angles between those tangents and the y-axis is called ramp angle. So, what do ramp angles do in LSD? Their job is to create additional pressure on clutch plates, progressively increasing the lock percentage. When you press the throttle, central pins tend to rotate apart from pressure plates like they want to get out of their ledges. The force of central pins is transferred to clutches through the ramp angles by vector decomposition. In other words, part of the force on the y-axis gets transferred to the x-axis thanks to the ramp angle. The x-axis force is the one putting pressure on the clutches. Therefore, the sharper the ramp angle is, the greater x-axis force is generated by the principle of vector decomposition. The same process happens when you release the throttle or shift into a lower gear. The shape of ramp angles divides clutch-type diffs into following three categories that you may already heard of. We have two-way LSD, where the throttle ramp angle and the coast ramp angle are the same. We have 1.5-way LSD, where the throttle ramp angle is bigger than the coast, and one-way LSD, where the coast ramp angle is 90 degrees. So, why are RacingDiffs Multivariant Ramps so much better than the OEM? Factory pressure plates only contain one ramp angle combination. For example, BMW uses 45-45 ramps in their ZF units and that's it. Therefore, if you want your diff to be more aggressive on the throttle and less aggressive on the coast, you need asymmetric ramp angles, which aren't offered as an option in the factory LSD. On the other hand, RacingDiffs Multivariant pressure plates contain three different ramp angles. 30-30 drift setup is the most aggressive setup, great for drifting, the first choice of pro-level drifters. You have 30-60 mixed setup, less aggressive on the downshifts, excellent for hill climb, tarmac and gravel rally. Can also be used for drifting to get smoother transitions, the best options for less experienced drifters. And you have 50-65 circuit setup, the best option for any kind of grip driving as it provides a smooth lockup. The first choice of time attack builders. Now you see why multivariant ramps are so important, because you have all those combinations on one pressure plate. All you need to do is to switch position of the cross pins to get a different ramp angle setup. This way you save a lot of money too, as you don't need to buy different pressure plates. RacingDiffs multivariant pressure plates are 3-in-1. If you have any additional questions or want some custom ramp angle design, please feel free to contact us. All information is in the link in the description, so make sure you check it out. And if you like this video, support us by clicking that subscribe button.